Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a calculation formula in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Canva's equations tool, how to use its typing field and symbol buttons, and how to insert a polished formula into your design. Whether you're creating educational content, presentations, or reports, adding professional math formulas to your designs has never been easier. Start by opening the Canva project where you want your formula to appear. This could be anything from a presentation slide to a worksheet or a product brochure. Make sure the left sidebar is visible. If it's minimized, simply hover over the edge and expand it so you can see all options. In that sidebar, click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps a library of add-ons that extend what you can do inside your design, from animations to specialized design tools like the Equations app. In the app search bar, type Equations. When the Equations app appears, click it to open. This app is designed to build clean, readable math expressions, so you don't have to fight with manual formatting. You'll see a typing field front and center. This is where you'll compose your formula. Just below it, you'll find a row of buttons that insert common mathematical symbols and structures for you. These are especially helpful for fractions, exponents, roots, and other elements that can be tricky to format by hand. Using these built-in symbols makes the process quicker and ensures your formula looks professional every time. If a button inserts a placeholder, simply click into that placeholder and type your numbers or variables. This is where you can get creative with your equations. Above the buttons, you'll notice two tabs: Basic and Advanced. The Basic tab contains everyday symbols, numbers, operators, and simple structures. For example, if you're writing something like 3x plus 5, or a fraction like a over b, or even a power like x squared, the Basic tab will cover you. These are the most common elements that you'll use in everyday formulas or calculations. When you need more specialized notation, click the Advanced tab. That's where you'll find expanded options such as square roots, nth roots, integrals, summations, limits, and Greek letters like pi and theta. These advanced symbols are perfect for anyone working with more complex mathematical equations or scientific formulas. For instance, if you're building a math lesson or a research paper, these specialized notations will help your design stand out as both visually appealing and highly functional. Now, try typing your formula in the field. For example, you might build a fraction by clicking the fraction button, filling in the numerator and denominator, then adding an exponent or a root if the expression calls for it. The key here is combining typing with the symbol buttons to ensure your equation remains clean, consistent, and easy to read. If you make a mistake, simply use the backspace key to delete or replace parts of the expression. You have complete control over your equation, and it's as simple as correcting a typo in any text field. Once your formula looks right in the preview, you're ready to add it to your design. Click the Insert Equation button below. Canva will place the finished equation onto your canvas, where you can position it like any other element. This gives you the flexibility to adjust your equation as needed within your layout. You can resize it by dragging the corners, align it with your text or images, and keep your layout tidy for presentations, worksheets, or reports. This feature is especially useful if you're working on educational content or creating a product catalog that includes pricing formulas or measurement conversions. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to Apps, search for Equations, build your formula using basic or advanced tools, and click Insert Equation to drop it into your design. With this tool, you can easily add complex, polished formulas to your Canva designs, making them look more professional and visually appealing. Whether you're creating a business report, educational resources, or just need to add a mathematical formula to your marketing materials, this simple method will save you time and help you achieve a clean, polished result.